YouTube and friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Cool Ideas. Make sure you hit the subscribe button before watching this video. In this video I will show you how to connect the Ethernet cable for the internet with your laptop. So let's have a look. So here you can see in the screen that I am using my Windows laptop and currently I don't have a internet. So if sometime if your Wi-Fi is not working or you are facing some low internet speed, then you can use the Ethernet cable to increase the speed for a temporary purpose. So that's what I will show you how to connect. But generally, if you see that in the latest laptop we don't have a Ethernet port, so you see here I'll show you. Mostly we will get C port, C type port, and HDMI input. Here as well you see. So in that case you have to purchase one adapter. So I will show you. So this is the adapter I purchased. One side is a C type and one side is a Ethernet female port, right? So you can use this. So let me connect to my laptop. Okay, and here you see, and you see in the bottom side here currently it's showing no internet connection, but as soon as I connect my Ethernet cable, so here is my Ethernet cable from the router. So if I connect, okay, and now you see now my internet is connected. You see the option internet access is coming, see, and if you check the speed, currently I'm using 300 Mbps plan from the optimum, and I'm getting around that. Okay, so that's it for the video. If you have any question, post in the comment section, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.